Yo, hello, welcome back. Here I want to read this article. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and also subscribe. The preliminary PMI data for July point to a worrying deterioration in the economy. Global CA Business Economic Chris Williamson said in a statement, excluding pandemic lockdown months, output is falling at the rate not seen since 2009 amid the global financial crisis. In the Eurozone, business activity unexpectedly contracted this month due to an accelerating downturn in manufacturing and the understanding of the service sector growth as bargaining caused customers to cut back on expenditure, the survey showed. Global Flash Composite Purchasing Manager Index for the Eurozone, seen as a good gauge of overall economic health, fell to 1449 in July and the lowest in February 2021 from 52 in June, well below all forecasts in a research poll that had predicted a more modest dip to 51. Business across the Eurozone continued to report mounting inflation pressure and acceleration in a way ground, even as the overall growth outlook becomes increasingly murky, the European Central Bank said on Friday, based on a survey on 71 major fears. Inflation in the Forex Union was 8% last month, official data showed, and on Thursday, the ECB raised interest rates by more than expected, confirming that concerns about runaway inflation now trump growth consideration. The preliminary PMI data for July point to a worrying deterioration in the economy. Global CA Business Economic Chris Williamson said in a statement, excluding pandemic lockdown months, output is falling at the rate not seen since 2009 amid the global financial crisis. In the Eurozone, business activity unexpectedly contracted this month due to an accelerating downturn in manufacturing and the understanding of the service sector growth as bargaining caused customers to cut back on expenditure, the survey showed. Global Flash Composite Purchasing Manager Index for the Eurozone, seen as a good gauge of overall economic health, fell to 1449 in July and the lowest in February 2021 from 52 in June, well below all forecasts in a research poll that had predicted a more modest dip to 51. Business across the Eurozone continued to report mounting inflation pressure and acceleration in a way ground, even as the overall growth outlook becomes increasingly murky, the European Central Bank said on Friday, based on a survey on 71 major fears. Inflation in the Forex Union was 8% last month, official data showed, and on Thursday, the ECB raised interest rates by more than expected, confirming that concerns about runaway inflation Now chart graph consideration. That's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and also subscribe.